डोमेन विशेषज्ञता वाले लोगों द्वारा निर्मित फेबी एआई ने अपनी प्री सीरीज ए फंडिंग को लुमिस पार्टनर्स, वीरेंद्र राणा, जेपी मॉर्गन, पूर्व प्रबंध निदेशक भुगतान, अमित चौधरी, सह संस्थापक लेंसकार्ट, पद्मजा रूपारेल तथा सह संस्थापक आईएन, रोहन भार्गव, सह संस्थापक आइशकरो, रजत जैन, अध्यक्ष फिनो पेमेंट्स बैंक और अन्य उल्लेखनीय निवेशक 2022 में स्थापित फेबी एआई को चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट और प्रौद्योगिकी विशेषज्ञों की टीम के द्वारा
India talent leading to India tomorrow, and our startup is playing a critical role into the growth of Indian economy. Startup, we are hearing the term now, but we are doing the startup since ages. But suddenly the term has become so popular in India. What is the reason? If you see earlier, the top companies of the world were always from US. Companies like Microsoft, Google, Alphabet were ruling the world. In 1990s, China started creating a startup ecosystem. And suddenly the companies like Tencent, Alibaba became the top companies of the world. And then came their Modi ji vision. He introduced.
What an amazing vision it is. So, first of all, round of applause for this vision. Please give it a clap. So, thank you so much, Mr. Amit Jindal ji and Mr. Ashu Goyal for that insightful overview of Febi.ai, incredible journey and the bold step you guys have taken towards transforming the landscape of accounting and tax compliance through AI. Now we are also honored to have with us today Mr. Rajat Jain ji, Chairman of Fino Payments Bank, who will share his thoughts on this exciting partnership and the potential of Febi AI holds for the future of financial innovations. Okay, he is coming, so we'll set up. We'll put a small setup for the panelists, and now after that, the journalists can start their questioning session. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to welcome Mr. Rajat Jain ji to the stage. Round of applause for him.
Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry I'm a little late, but I was just trying to wrap up another function before I came here. I must tell you, I left my lunch over there. I'm making lunch. So, I have known Amit for about 10 years. I started a company at the same time Amit started his company, Felix, and I have been a great admirer of his courage, his enthusiasm, his youth, and his innovation. I've seen him grow at Felix and have been with him in the journey. And when Febi was launched, Febi was being discussed a couple of years ago. I think a lot of discussions in our office. My company is an incubator accelerator called Bharat Ventures, which some of you may know. It is also in the public domain. We work actively with startups, and Felix has been from day one our accounting firm. And when Febi was conceived as a technological revolution for accounting and all related services, for even startups, not only large companies and mid-sized companies, but small SMEs and startups, I asked Amit to move the account of Bharat Ventures to Febi. So we are what you would call a very early adopter of the Febi technology. I must say that from my personal experience, this has been a great journey. It has eased workload at my office, my people, and it has made response times faster because of the automation. Now this kind of revolutionary platforms are more and more required for these lakhs and lakhs of startups and SMEs in India. Because I was so excited and I've known him, I've also invested in my personal capacity in Febi. So I'm one of the early stage angel investors. I'm delighted that we are having this gathering today, and all of you are here to hear the Febi story, which Amit just must have told you about the AI-based platform to automate what accounting, tax, compliance, and everything else. And I am one of the beneficiaries of that automation. So I just wanted to share in 2 minutes, my journey, my story as a client, as a potential, call it well-wisher, as an investor, as a friend. It's all rolled in one. I wish Amit all the best, and I hope that this will become one of the fastest growing technology SaaS startups.
My name is Amit Jindal. I'm a chartered accountant and CPA from US and spent 20 years into accounting and compliance industry. And then I saw a lot of gaps into the accounting field, which we could try to solve through Phoebe.ai. If you're gonna see the existing accounting and software platform which are available, you need an accountant to perform the activities, and there are a lot of manual errors, manual activities being done because of that thing. Just to give an example, एक invoice come आता है, the invoice number is 1 2 3 4 5. Instead of that thing, the accountant puts 1 2 3 4, and it hampers the GST credit and it locks the GST thing, and there are a lot of reconciliation issues happens, or there are a lot of compliance issues which are happening because of these platforms. So these things are being getting enabled through Phoebe.ai. So Phoebe.ai is the founder entrepreneurs books innovation. Without the knowledge of having the taxation or compliances, you can perform your accounting compliances functions, and it enables you to become due diligence ready and audit ready within a minute, and help you in getting the more funding. So one of the key reason in failure of the startup we're gonna see is securing the funding, and securing funding, they most of the startup failure due diligence review. Due diligence review failure का reason if you're gonna see there are lack of documentation which is available at the time of due diligence, और compliances का issues काफी face करते हैं जिसके कारण startups fail. These platform will enable him to capture these, to overcome these problem, where within a minute you will see they're gonna upload their expense invoice, vendor invoice through WhatsApp, through email, or onto the platform, and within 1 minute you will see your balance sheet appearing with all the compliances being done. Plus they also verify the invoices कि क्या उस vendor ने मेरा GST जमा कराया है नहीं कराया, और क्या मेरा e-invoice valid है, क्या मेरा TDS valid है, PAN valid है. These all things will happen simultaneously, and within 1 minute you will see your balance sheet appearing. That what we could achieve through Phoebe.ai. Yeah.